Good morning. Welcome everyone. Morning, evening. Hey, how you doing? Hey. Let's just go ahead and share this presentation, guys. Pretty much everywhere. Morning, chat. Morning. Hello. Hey. Morning. Good evening. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video. Be subscribed. How you doing? Pretty good. Pretty good for me. Looking for the recovery. Honestly, with the Nasdaq, with the S&P, with the Russell 2000, with Nvidia, gold is just continuing, crossing 4,100 soon. Look at that. About to break the all-time high once again. But I'm looking forward to seeing some nice actions from Nasdaq as well. I wouldn't say I'm certain, but I would say that this week should close above the 25,100s. If we get that, obviously there's going to be another all-time high in 2025. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Like and share with your friends, community members, brothers, sisters, whatever you have, guys. Let them know about it. Join our live stream. Giveaway on the stream. Setting up my copy trader. Looking forward collecting point number 6. 2 more points are needed, guys. Let's just talk about a little bit with a Ticktick trader situation that we have. So that's the news cycle. Why is there so much sun? Let me just adjust the lighting here. Bear with me. Now is much better. We had so much lightning going on. Good evening, guys. Welcome. So, so we got basically 5 points. 2 more will be needed. We need 7 points totally, guys. That's it. Shouldn't be a big deal. We have $4,000, so today it's really important out there. Trading right there on the VWAP right now, around the 800s. Something that I would actually test on
Order filled.
Guys.
Order filled.
The slightly below the 800s. We got into a long entry. Our max loss is at $1,000. That's where I set it. $1,000 is pretty much sufficient, guys. Thank you so much. This is a place where I'm expecting a minor reaction, and I'm fine with that. Come on. Keep going, guys. This is going to be point number 6. Can we get a little bouncing here? Putting the stop loss on break even. We're pretty close. Come on.
Order filled.
Nah, we just hit the break even. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, what a shame. Look at that one, guys. We were so close, and now it's hitting the take profit that I do not have anymore. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. And now it's hitting it.
Order filled.
Getting back into my long here. What a silly price section. What was that? Putting my stop loss on break even once again.
Order filled.
And we hit the take profit, $585. Celebration time on 5 accounts. Beautiful, guys. Come on. I've been smelling that long, and we're gonna talk about what's the reason behind it. 6 points achieved. 1 more point is needed. 1 more point is needed. Do the math. Do the math right there. 1 more point is needed, guys. And we're gonna be very comfortable with that. 1 more point is needed. Fireworks time. How to participate the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and the giveaway is going to be on the live stream. You have to be here. We're gonna draw on the live stream. You have to participate in a game. But I'm very happy about this one. $585. We have hit our 6th point. 1 more is needed, and we have $4,700. I am going to increase my maximum loss. It's at 1,500. I thought it's at 1,000, but it looks like it's at 1,500. I forgot to add it right before the stream. I thought it's at 1,000, and now I wanted to put it back at 1,500. It used to be at 1,500. Yet for today, I wanted to have it at 1,000. My bad. Well, the good part is we didn't have to deal with that. The trade actually went straight forward in profit. We've been going for a nice VWAP reaction that has been coming in a prior support representation here, 760s, 750s. We got that confirmed. So we got the little bouncing on the 1 minute. Based on the pivots we had over here too for the 1 minute on the microstructure, little bouncing came in just like that, right? So this is like a change of market structure here. You're breaking above, retesting, and then you're running. We've been trading that retest. Thank you, guys. So like the video, join our Discord, and be subscribed to the channel. We're actually streaming from Monday to Friday. But this is absolutely beautiful. This is going to be a 5 accounts, $10,000 payout. And with this payout, we're going to confirm the $10,000 threshold for the live trading. That's going to be insane, guys. Cheers, everyone. For the Ticktick trader, we're going to qualify for live trading. Just another day is needed here, and we're good to go, guys. Look at that. 1 more day. And I have a lot of the cushion right there. This is so good. Good morning. Welcome, guys. I'm so happy about this. It's pretty much... It was very important to not lose today, grab our point, and be just 1 step away from $10,000 and then being moved to live. only one step away, guys. As far as I know, with straight to funded plus accounts from the Ticktick Trader. By the way, let me share with you the links we're trading. So Ticktick Trader right now is pushing their promotion, $350 for an account. You can grab your accounts. It's the link right there in the chat. Scramble coupon code also gives you a free daily loss add-on, right? So your daily loss limit will be removed. And you have an end of the day max loss. You gotta collect your 10 points for the payout, which is really comfortable out there. And then qualify. This is no consistency. Instant funding accounts without consistency. Something incredible. No challenges, you get funded and you trade. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. We have a bank holiday in the US today. I'm in Europe. And I'll trade my Simpro. Which ones? This was only have 250 bucks.
Order filled.
Cushion. Max loss, just 250 bucks max loss. I don't know if we can do something out of them. I don't know. If we break out here and run for a nice continuation like that, we might be able to do something. $250 till the max loss for this accounts on tap on futures. Let's see if we can fight through this experiment. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Stop loss is going to be on break even at this moment, $50 actually. And I'm fully
Order
out
filled.
here, I'm fine, $314. This way we have increased our max loss limit to $600. Hey, welcome guys, good morning. Well, extremely good guys, extremely good. We have collected our 6th point today on Ticktick Trader, so one more point is needed. Extremely happy. Very happy with that one. Right, one more is needed. Look at that, we're gonna put that right there. We just collected our 6th point. So really happy about that one, guys, really happy. Well, everything is possible, guys. If you're coming from the space of crypto, which is wild, everything is possible in life. You saw what happened on Friday. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord.
Order filled.
Testing here for a little entry. $160 for the profit. Not gonna get greedy about this, certainly not. Putting the stop on break even right there, $5 profit. And I'm actually out here. I'll take that $50, $60. I'll take that $50. What if we save these 3 accounts from the level of $300 max loss? We save them. What about? Right now we have 646. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord. Let me share with you our link. Join our Discord and get ready. We have a lot to talk, a lot to share. And this is a great community.
Order filled.
Opening a contract here. They might be hunting that 33.34. Yes, thank you. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'll take that $50 one more time. We're trading our Ticktick Trader Top 1 futures, and we will trade Savius as well today. Thank you guys. I think this is gonna climb higher. Opening another contract here. Looks like the markets are prepared to ladder higher and higher. I'm out.
Order filled.
We made about $45-50, which I'm happy about. We took this to $431 right there, and we have a $721 max loss from $300, guys. That's where we started. $290. If we save these accounts from a max loss of $290, think about it. $850s is an interesting target. $850s. Good morning, welcome. Thank you guys for watching, for joining, appreciate it. We have a temporary rejection here, but I think this one has the ability to get to the blue line right there, which is the 200 EMA. Slowly laddering up.
Order
which is why
filled.
I'm longing this one. Single contract long here, let's see. Trend is bullish for the moment. I do agree we're missing the usual volume, but the market is having volatility even though. No volume, but a thin order book can easily surprise us today with 10-15 points. Can really easily surprise us. We got a single giveaway today. Come on. Get ready for that. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord as well. Hope this is gonna get to that 33 or something like that. Come on. I'm out
Order
for the
filled.
moment. $493. That's good. We almost have $1,000. $783 distance to max loss. Right, this is something. Good morning, good evening. Welcome guys. We're trading our tap on futures right now. Let me share with you the links. Scramble coupon code gives you a bigger discount than what does the company offers you. Right, so I give you additional 5% discount. We're having a great time. I think there is space for 850s.
Order
We're
filled.
relonging it here.
Order filled.
Adding to this at this point. For the movement.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract to this. We got to DC a little bit. 2 points away from our entry. Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Great to see you. Good morning out there.
Order filled.
Added one more contract to this. Couple of points to the upside and we're fine. It's beautiful for the moment. If there's no rejection, this is a nice higher low. And this candle, we definitely need the second one in a row, green. This one. You gotta be green, buddy. So you get a little higher into 26, we're gonna be break even as well. Expecting a continuation. Second candle did not came through. The one that opens right now is going to be very important. Market is laddering up. Follows through the laddering pattern.
Order
Add a
filled.
little more to this. It's following the pattern of the higher low on this structure. As soon as it doesn't break, we're fine. If there's deniers, we will just go break even. But at the same time, we might be able to absorb the sellers at this level, 820s, 817.
Order
Added
filled.
one more contract there, increasing my take profit. Going all the way to 829. And probably increasing it further. I'm gonna have a limit order or an 828. If we get that, we're fine. 28.5. 3 contracts. That's a pretty ugly sell-off.
Order filled.
I accepted a partial exit. Accepted a partial loss there. Cut my position. Based on a higher low structure. For 1 month of crypto swing trading is great. It's definitely good. Putting the stop loss right below. and working with this specific structure of trading that we're looking at right now. I'm looking at this as a higher low on the dominating trend. One month is fine. If you're an active trader, you can actually exit out of your positions quicker. Most of the time you have an ability to do that out of a short-term cycle. A couple of weeks, usually 2 to 3 weeks, things slow down. We're gonna go break even here. It's looking good for the moment. Come on. Just a little bit, yeah. Just a little bit, guys. Because I had a significant exposure already.
Order filled.
So we touched the break even. We touched the break even. Markets didn't manage to rush for the target there. I had a lot of the exposure already in the game. No leverage, and I'm not gonna say it luckily, because I got burned by leverage from 2017 and so on, sufficiently to learn my lesson that through spot you can actually make way more money, much more money. Spot trading in the space of crypto for the altcoins. Think about, you have daily movements that are close to 6, 7, 8%. You don't need more than that. Like, the additional risk that comes with leverage is not worth it. For my instance, when you have such an opportunity, the cost of opportunity is not small to do leverage, so it's not worth it for me. This is the advantage. We managed to go break even earlier, guys. Look at that. The market is dumping. Extremely high, the open interest. Extremely high. In each bull market, you get 30, 40, 50%, 60% sometimes on altcoins. And it's still the bull market. Such retracements. And I don't want to be part of that, right? I don't want to lose 40% of an asset with leverage. I don't want a deposit margin when I have the ability not to do it. Makes no sense, right? Interesting price action here, guys. Short term, yeah, it wants to go to that VWAP that we traded earlier, and that's exactly what we touched right here. This is a possible short-term support again around the 790s. I'm trading spot right now. I've been a while with a spot trading. Spot trading is way more advantageous. The only downside is you need to have resources to deal with spot and have earnings to be kind of sufficient, right? For you to be satisfied with the earnings you have on spot. You cannot deal with $10 on spot or $100, right? You need way more. And this is why people usually go the leverage side to compensate the small portfolios. And of course, pushing for the extreme greed.
Order filled.
Yeah, but I like that basically. I do other stuff as well. So what we can expect as a bear market and low Ethereum prices depends from where it starts from the upside and how does the economy looks like around the world. Depends on these things, right? So depends if we start a bear market from $8,000 or $7,000 in Ethereum price, or we start a bear market from $12,000 in the Ethereum's price. Depends on these things. And then depends how does the economy works. How does the US dollar react, gold, these things will define the level we're gonna be at the end of the bear market for the Ethereum. But I assume if you go into the level above $10,000 by the end of the bull market of the altcoins, and that's where your Ethereum sits, above 10 grand a piece, and then it starts retracing in a bear market, I think that if you're getting it below 3,000, you're going to be in a really advantageous position. Because from there, considering a like 500% to 15 grand is on the table, guys. It is really on the table, right? So the next bull market, not this one, should include that 15 to 20 grand per piece for the Ethereum, and that's good if you got it below 3,000. That's minimum 500%. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. I'm significantly invested in spot, so I only have an unrealized profit decreasing, but I have not lost anything because simply I didn't have anything on the futures market with leverage. I only had a lot decreasing with the markets going down. Yeah, they will recover. I'm not worried about that one at all. Yeah, you can use the prop firms to build up this whole thing, really. What a nice movement we had here from the daily VWAP. But the next 5-minute candle opened pretty aggressively down. Let's see what we can do, guys. Let's see if we can DCA here a little bit.
Order
Added
filled.
one more contract. Thank you guys for joining on the live stream. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Randomly for some people and accurately for others. It depends on your abilities to understand. It do not depends on my actions. This is no longer up to me. We got you on timeout in the last couple of streams. We take you on timeout today as well. You gotta relax a little bit. It's just Monday, buddy. Using prop firms to create capital and invest in, invest in Ethereum, Binance Coin, BTC. These things will function really well. $100 distance to max loss. Exactly. Exactly. So the market crashes there are fueled by this over leveraging problems.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped 284. That was all. Our max loss was 284. But we're gonna trade and resume our Ignite accounts. extreme pressure with the markets, extreme with the over leveraging, and the order book with the rate cuts being down, with a lot of adoption going around the US with the cryptos. A lot of the guys had enough time to over leverage into the altcoins. So when the liquidation cluster hits, it's wild. You've seen that. If I show you some charts, you get scared about this whole space. Cardano, for example, it's a big boy Cardano, right? It's among the tops. Look at that. We have a retracement here, and I can go into the hourly. %64% basically, and we have 2 hourly candlesticks. In 2 hours, 64%. For a cryptocurrency that had a volume of more than 1 billion per day on average, you dump 64%. More than 1 billion. And it's among the tops. Think about it. You got Atom going to 0. Link, which is a major boy, right? You got this one going right below $8. This prices were back in 2018, guys. But I think we're gonna ladder up. Back to this prices. Gold managed to go all-time high earlier. Having a nice pump here. We just open it and we're having a nice pump, guys. Look at that. Well, with crypto, you can do spot.
Order filled.
I'm going long with this one, having my target on 525. Let's see. Putting the stop loss and break even. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
And the target has been touched, $500 right there. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. For the Tap on Futures Ignite accounts, you know we can only make $500 here, but look at that. We got great stats, right? Let's make some money, guys. Let's make some nice money out there. Look at the fireworks. Come on. Let's go. There you go. Beautiful time. Green tea fireworks. Thank you, guys. Beautiful time. Exactly. Look at that. I mean, we have a lot of the green days. A lot of them. 2 losses in September. Right? 2 losses in September. And 2 losses in October. $4,400 by being limited to making only $500 a day. Because I could have nicely let my winners run. And we would have had 70 grand in this account. But we got 54. We got 54 because equity stability score, right? If you guys are aware, equity stability score is a pain in the beautiful candle. Lovely. Let me just set up the copy trader for the other one. We have 2 more Ignite. You know, this Ignite's accounts are no longer available to be sold as a product.
Order filled.
Going for my little target back to the top there on 872. Stop loss and break even. Let's go, guys. Come on. Just a little more. Increasing my stop loss there, and we touched the target over here as well. $546. Time for the fireworks. This is legit, guys. This is no playing games around. Boom. Look at that. Celebration time, and very important, we got point number 6 on our Ticktick trader. We got point number 6 on our Ticktick trader, guys. This is so important. You can't believe this. We only need 1 more point. 1 more point. This is the Ticktick trader, what you're watching right now. 1 more point. And we have 10k payout plus live trading. What about right now? What about right now? Should work. Right? Yeah, it works. Opening my Savius, let me trade something over there as well. Yep. We just broke out from the 5 minutes here. Meanwhile, previously the rejection came in nicely. I think this wants to go higher. Dollars is going to come down from here, relax a little. Gold is going all-time high once again. We're going 5 minutes aggressively long on this one. We should easily revisit that 950s. Shouldn't be a problem. 950s. There's top right here. Shouldn't be a problem at all. And then questionable. Previous week VWAP closing slightly above 25,000. I mean 25,082. We got a little bit overexposed here. Now that didn't work. Switching the wheel. We have a great account here where we actually made some nice progress. We have $3,000 here profit. For the giveaway, you have to be here on the stream. You have to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. And then the giveaway happens on the live stream. You just have to be here. And you will have to do some things. You have to participate. Actively, of course. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Good morning guys, good morning everyone. I'm setting my stop loss and break even. And a take profit there. This would be the third day on this account hitting the target for the Savius. Nah, we just hit the break even. And now it's running, look at that. We're back with 2 contracts only. Only 2 contracts. Welcome guys, thank you for joining. Hey, pretty good, Anton. We got our 6th point. 6 point. On our Ticktick Trader account. 6 points. We only need 1 more. So we had celebration time. We only need 1 more. And we will have sufficient for the threshold. We will have sufficient for everything. Exactly. 1 more and we're good to go. Meanwhile, we're trading right here on Savius a little bit. We made money on tap on futures as well. Our Ignite accounts got to the target too, so we got profits pretty much everywhere. Except Savius. Adding another contract here. Have DC8 and 1 more. Might be a little too aggressive, but we're sitting on 4 contracts. Yeah, the volatility is pretty tough. It's not friendly today at all. Not the most comfortable day at trading. It's a national bank day in the US, so you got no institutions playing games. Yep. But we're still gonna ring the bell, guys. We're gonna still ring the bell. We're still gonna ring the bell. That's a lovely sound. We're gonna fool the market makers by doing so. Let's go, guys. 875 for my target. Not a big deal at all. And this would be the 3rd day here. Have a good one. We're having the giveaway a little later. If you wanna... Let's go for the targets, guys. Come on. Beautiful. With some momentum, we can get to that point. with some momentum. I'm gonna DCA a little bit. Added 2 more contracts here. In case the market wants to fly. It's good to be prepared. Added 2 more. Let's go for the good deal. Two more. Are we gonna get stuck here once again around the 60s? Beautiful, we finally made it. I felt it, guys. I felt it. 1,500 pure profits here. This was the 3rd day, and that's very important because 2 more days are needed for the payout. Very important, guys. So happy about this one. And look at that. If you exit at the right time, you get rewarded. If you get greedy, it takes it away from you. Look at that. Beautiful. This was the 3rd day of $1,500. 2 more days because 20% consistency. And then we qualify for the payout. Thank you, guys. But the most important part is here with a Ticktick trader because 1 more day is needed and we are going to be live. We're gonna get another $10,000 payout. Our threshold is going to be above 10 grand, and that's gonna be exciting, right? With a such threshold, with great money to start off trading live, that's gonna be a whole different journey, a whole different thing. No more sim-funded environment. Thank you, guys. How much do I need here on my top 1 futures? Crazy Ignite accounts. Let me measure the highest earning and the highest losing day. 522 is on this page, and then September we got a 582. 583 highest on the 29th. That's the highest, 583, and then the biggest loss is 1,208. So 583 plus 1,208 times 5. We gotta do $8,955 because of equity stability score. Thank you, guys, appreciate it. So this is pretty much crazy for the top 1 futures. This type of accounts that have equity stability score are the hardest, right? The instant sim funded with end of the day drawdown is comfortable. If you use my code SCRAMBLE, you get a bigger discount. Instead of 40% what they're giving, with my code you get 45. Right, so we apply our code right there at the order, and you get it at $493. Instant SIM funded. I think the market will chop today, and it will ladder upside the entire week. I think we're gonna slowly ladder to the upside the entire week. About today is not one of those predictable days for a couple of hours term. Could be predictable for short term. That's what you can go about today, guys. From what I've been able to see, you gotta downsize on your sizing, so half than what you're usually doing, or even more than half. Certainly you gotta do that. We're gonna have the opening bell, even though New York is right there, in about 5 minutes. At least cut in your half. It's pretty dangerous out there today. You're gonna get fake outs, unsustainable movements, and unbacked up pumps or dumps that are not predicted by the data. So you gotta be there today with the stop loss and invalidate anything that is unsustainable. It's not a usual day, it's not a comfortable day. But the great part is we made it. Yeah, it's a bank holiday, that's why. Three minutes to go, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'm gonna lock myself out of this. 5 accounts nicely trading. Even if we lose 3 days, guys, think about it. We have the max loss right now set back to 1,500, just like it was throughout all the times we traded. This is the second cycle. It's got to be traded on 5 accounts, but this is how the first cycle looked. That's how the first cycle looked. We finished the first cycle on 29th. So whatever we started this month in October was from the second cycle. Everything. No consistency, think about it. No consistency. For those of you that would like to find out more, let me share with you my video that I posted about them. That's the link. But let me also show you my video that I posted about them with my last payout. Second payout of $10,000, and we're going to have the third payout of $10,000, so we're going to take $30,000 out. Fuel our live account as well, and nicely go from there. We're back. I think now it functions. We had a little cutoff. Let me share with you the link once again. That's the one. Beautiful, look at that. Here we've got the green tea selection. Beautiful. This is the good one. This is, you gotta try this out. This one, I know this. I'm drinking this. This one. It's called Thai Mulong 2. You gotta drink that one, guys. Thai Mulong 2. Let me tell you, I've been in Florence a few years ago. I've been at Gilly. Gilly, right? Is that the right way of spelling it? Let me just... in the city center, Gilly. We stayed at a palazzo. What was its name? Gotta verify that on Booking. Yeah, well. Oh, right, so we had the opening, guys, and I'm sleeping. There you go. We had the opening 30 seconds ago, and I've been sleeping. Wow. We're gonna do the giveaway soon. BTC is pumping at the so-called opening. Yeah, I think this is bullish for the moment. I think that daily VWAP is holding. And I think at least Nasdaq wants to retest that 950s. But do not forget about this huge gap here below 730s to 540s. This one. This is the place I stayed the last time I've been in Firenze. In Florence. Firenze. You got stopped out. Careful today, guys. This is a huge nonsense out there. The market is lacking market makers, and of course the big players out there from the institutions. We're getting 60-70 point candlesticks out of nowhere. Making no sense. Yeah. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. We are preparing for the giveaway. we are preparing for that. Huh. Trading today was great. We made our point. Very important on Ticktick Trader. So only one more point is needed. We made our 6th point. And we got a lot of buffer, 4,700. So I only have to collect one more point. We got $10,000 payout. And we're gonna be moved to live. After $30,000 in payouts, you gain access to live. Yeah. But that was before 2020 when I've been last time in Florence. 5th point on that account. 5 more to go. Beautiful. If you got cushion, it's going slowly. If you got enough room, that's just comfortable. Good job. Time to play some games. We're finished trading for today, guys, so... Exactly, 5,000 buffer. A very important part for that ZIL is this buffer is also going to be pivotal for your second cycle payout. Think about that one. Your second cycle payout is going to be helped a lot by this buffer you have here. Because from scratch, you can already start your second cycle by going for the minimum. If you finish nicely, you can already go in your second cycle for the minimum. You don't need to fight for, you know, any other medium size or huge earnings day. We're getting ready for the giveaway, guys. And join our Discord. Like the video, guys. Come on. Be subscribed and join our Discord. Let me share with you our Discord link. Here you have it. Join our Discord, guys. Very important. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only a single number right there. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers, guys. Good luck, everyone. This is a $50,000 Ticktick Trader. 50 grand Ticktick Trader account. Come on. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. And we got the stop right there. We got the stop right there. No more. That's it, guys. We got the stop right there. That's everything about it. We're gonna spin. Good luck. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go for the $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. Let's go for it. Is that gonna be the red number 4? What do you guys think about that red number 4? Look at that. I think that's gonna be a red number 4. Here you go. We got you. Red number 4. Beautiful. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with the red number 4. That's a great one. We got you on the number 4. Congratulations for the winners. Let's get to the duck race, guys. Let's get to it. Let's get to the duck race, guys. So here we are. We've got 26 winners. 26 winners out there. We're good to go. Congratulations. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. You just have to win the duck race. That's what you gotta do. You gotta win the duck race. There's gonna be only a single winner right there. $50,000 Ticktick Trader account. Jeff, your duck is right there. It has to win. At a finish line, it has to reach first. It's the best part of the day. Come on. Keep going. You have to choose between the starting time and the ending time, and then you're on the list, right? You might not be able to see your duck. Could be somewhere behind. Who's gonna? Jimmy. We got you, Jimmy, right there. Congratulations, we got you, Jimmy. Francisco, you've been actually ranked pretty close to the end. Look at that. Congratulations for Jimmy. You got a 50K straight to Funded Plus account. Beautiful, guys. Congratulations out there. Look at that. This is our top. Have a nice one. That's a great way to start off the week. Go for the highest targets relentlessly. Congratulations for the winners. Thank you, guys. Have a lovely day. Have a beautiful time out there. Looking forward to our next stream tomorrow. We're gonna begin with 2 streams. 8 AM EST time. Join us. We're gonna be here. And of course, trade, run education, run the show. Join our Discord too. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. And all the links in the description area or our Discord, guys. Thank you guys once again. Have a beautiful day. Have a lovely time out there. We talk to you soon.